Get Riot Vanguard installed so Valorant launches. This clean method works even if a broken copy is already on your PC. Open the Start menu, search Settings, click Apps on the left, then Installed Apps. In the search box, type Vanguard. If Riot Vanguard appears, uninstall it to clear the broken copy. If nothing shows, you're already clear. Open the Start menu again, search CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run as administrator. These two commands delete Vanguard's leftover services so it reinstalls clean. Type SC, delete VGC. Press enter. Type SC, delete VGK. Press enter. Now restart your PC. Open the Riot client and sign in. On the left, click Games, then Valorant. The client detects Vanguard is missing and shows an update button. Click it to install. Once it finishes, restart your PC. This isn't optional. The play button stays locked until you reboot, and that reboot is what switches Vanguard on. After restarting, launch Valorant. A red Riot shield in the system tray means it's running. On Windows 11, if you get Van 9001, Van 9003, or Van 9090 instead, Vanguard installed but is blocked. Enable Secure Boot and TPM 2.0 in BIOS to launch. Once that's done, Vanguard installed and Valorant opens. If this helped, let me know in the comments down below.